All right, here we are. This is Corvette 1967, serial number 113797. And what you're looking at is the frame, all done, powder coated, stenciled, shim marks. Kevin MacKay at Corvette Repair did a fantastic job. I almost want to not put it together and just take the frame around to car shows. So, I mean, it's that good. They did a fantastic job. And kudos to Mike there. Did some welding on it and got a couple dents out. It's just fantastic. They did a fantastic job. So get a little closer look. The frame was already in great shape. It just had a couple minor dents in it on the underside where people had jacked it up. But the weld points, the strength and the rigidity of the frame was really good shape. These plates here, down here, they were all in great shape. And this rear plate back here is all original. It was in really good shape as well. But as you can see, you know, what a fantastic job that they did do. I'm really, really pleased with the frame. It's incredible, isn't it? Just like it's sitting on the floor in St. Louis back in March of '67. Unbelievable. And again, the trailing arms, all powder coated, brand spanking new. New rotors with the rivets they put on there at Corvette Repair. All rebuilt, just like factory. The rear end was redone. New seals. The A-arms, I didn't unpackage them yet, but they're all powder coated. You can see with the correct knuckles on them. Beautiful. New backing plates. Like I said, these trailing arms are all brand new. You know, just rebuilt, brand new. It's just unbelievable. Drive shaft, polished, you know, new. Steering gear, all redone. So the parts are all laid out, ready to put back together. And I just wanted to get you a quick shot of what it looks like coming from Kevin's shop. It's just beautiful. So with that, I'll let you go, and hopefully I'll be making a video of the painted body soon in the next week or so. All right, well, take care. Greetings from Maryland.